My name is Alexander Seyf. I'm the CEO and the founder of Autolomous and also Act for Hope. So there are two different organizations doing similar things, trying to make a difference in this industry for the better of humanity and the patients. Well, that's a very good question. If the digital infrastructure is good enough for the advancement of the cell and gene therapy, it's it's a difficult question, to be honest, because I don't think the advancement of technology has prevailed in cell and gene therapy yet. So it depends when you started and how you started. So we've seen companies that they started infrastructure by digitization, so they're really up to date. But also we have seen cases that the IT infrastructure has been outdated and they bring new things. So that's becomes a little bit tricky. I think we need to be mindful about the purpose of technology and gear up accordingly. So I would say majority of the places maybe is good to start, but really not sustainable. So we need to look at upgrades, I believe. Yeah. The complexity between digital and manufacturing. So there is a science and there is a digital. I think they need to walk hand in hand. So I would say the science advancing, but we are not really on par with technology and digitization. We need to be more purposeful with digitizing our ecosystem, not just doing it for sake of it, but understanding the purpose of it. And that purpose will drive us to make a right choice, and that will affect our outcome in a much better way. We're still in a mindset of my memory is better than my computer, so I can remember stuff, and that is very true, but it doesn't give you the knowledge transfer to others, so it becomes a single point of failure. I've seen it quite a lot in different industries, and especially in this industry. We always try to carry the knowledge by ourselves without sharing it. And the whole part of digitization is to be able to share, obviously with a care, but we still need to be able to share it so we can consolidate and we can, uh, you know, leverage the knowledge in better way. So